for 19,243. 2016 Chevy Silverado 3500 heavy duty LTZ. Okay, Michael. Dual rear wheel axle. See if we can get the mileage here. It's cooperating with us. Get that in a minute. I'm going to pass to the side.